Pakistan is giving the US access to their minerals under the ground and it's huge deal, and this comes just after Pakistan discovered the fourth largest oil and gas reserve in the world. So the US is finally interested in Pakistan again. Prime Minister of Pakistan Shehbaz Sharif is visiting the US to meet with the President Trump, and this meeting comes after US official visited Pakistan earlier this month and sign an agreement, and it's about to change the entire Middle East. Now that the deal was signed, which is being officially agreed on today, in this meeting is for the US to help Pakistan drill those oil and gas reserves that they discovered, and in return for the US providing the support to Pakistan, Pakistan is going to give the US access to $500 million worth of minerals that they have got the ground. And do you know, a few months ago Pakistan discovered huge oil and gas reserve, but the problem is that Pakistan does not have any way of drilling them and getting access to them. And so Pakistan spoke to the US, and the Prime Minister sent the US an offer. He said that in return for the US providing the drilling equipment to drill those oil fields, Pakistan will give the US access to their minerals, which is worth a huge amount of money. And so not only is the US going to get $500 million worth of minerals from Pakistan, but Pakistan is going to get the equipment to be able to start drilling and selling the oil that is in these reserves. It is a win-win for both countries, but really this is a huge deal. For the first time in decades, the US is working with Pakistan again. But as usual, you can leave me a follow for some more global news like this.